As the HVAC division manager, I work directly with the engineering department. My process has completely changed since using the BLK360. From standard on-site face-to-face measurements, information gathering, that's been drastically reduced in the time spent in the field. We're able to coordinate with our guys, our field guys, the engineering department, prefabricated parts in-house, all without setting foot on site. I obviously had doubts or anything going into it, but there was always that question of relinquishing that control and that trust factor for that equipment, and it has not since failed once. If a picture's worth 1,000 words, the scans we use are worth 1,000,000. Our engineering department does a phenomenal job taking those scans and prefabricating everything through the programs that we use. I get together with the engineering department to make sure that everything happens seamlessly.